Hey, this is Miss Rio 2017.
And this is Ayak from Taqsaqunak Bay.
I'm Byron I Sing You Dance.
In the video, there's 4 teens.
2 from Taqsaqunak,
And me, Ayak.
2 from Savunga, Aburna, and Ayun.
I hope you like this video.
Qungurkaq.
Is it like a plant? Fish? Blackfish?
Yeah.
Something that we wear when we're dancing.
Is it just ladies though?
Men could wear them too.
Pupsuk.
Scissors.
Qungurkaq.
Pimple, black hair,
Birthmark?
beauty
Dimple?
mark, eyebrow, eyes, nose, lips.
Eyelashes?
Nutuk. Ingrak.
Hill? A little hill? Big hill? A mountain?
Akfoutstak.
Trying to get picked up by cross country. Lap game. Base.
Amik.
A door?
Kun.
Teeth?
Naruyak.
Rock? Bird? Owl? Eagle?
Or white.
Seagulls are white too, you know.
It's a seagull.
Oh, I thought you already said seagull.
I said eagle!
Qungurkaq.
In the face, in the mouth, on the ears, on your cheeks, in your nose or something. Is it a forehead? Or
Yeah.
a salak?
A solid, a lamb, chips,
Fried bread?
rubber,
Qungurkaq. It's something that happens to your body.
Pinched. Period. I'm sorry. I don't even know what I was thinking about.
Okay. Qungurkaq.
Crashing. Broke her bone. Tumbled over. Rolling over. She broke her collarbone. Pagigluku.
Clean it? Pull the trigger? Like go
Amat.
like that?
Qaqtaq.
Bloody nose.
Qingyak.
Something with going backwards. Walking backwards. Looking backwards.
Na.
it's not spit.
Beach.
Oh, so
Mugluku.
Fold your clothes? Folding? Folding.
Kangitluk.
In the corner, lighting the campfire. Bulok. Charcoal.
Kailangak.
Puffin. Like, you know, happy feet too.
Qayak.
White hair?
Yeah. Stuk.
nails.
How do you guys say it?
It's too.
Kanganak. Wolf.
Do you remember singing that song?
I never sang that.
Okay.
Little birds. Hornets. Bumblebee. Squirrel.
Yeah. Qungurkaq.
Blackfish.
Qungurkaq.
Is it something? Is it a thing?
Plants.
Grass.
Yeah. Achchik.
Your grandson's baby. Your baby daddy's mama. I mean, your grandma-in-law. Grandpa-in-law. Dang. Your grandson's... your grandpa's grandson. Aunties, brothers, sister.
Sisters' husbands are achchiks to each other.
Oh, your sister-in-law's sister-in-law, because they're in-law.
Mankaq.
I heard it before. It's in the sea. Muskox.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job.
Igachun.
Something you write with.
Katak.
Fishing? Swimming? When the boys like go on their snow machines and they go
Ayaginach.
like go somewhere, go boating somewhere, go running. Kayaginach is roaming for no reason.
Wow.
Duck.
Defend our language.
Duck that you find in the ocean.
Fish, octopus, seal, shell,
What does Nemo live in?
Orange stuff. Seaweed. Sea anemone.
Irak.
Dance.
Uyakik. Perfect. Jivak.
Moths. Mosquito. Housefly.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure to like and subscribe and let us know what you think.
Brianna for watching, and make sure that you follow us on Snapchat and Instagram.